How to accept friend requests on Threads. The first things first is open up your Threads and make sure that you do have an account with it and make sure that you are logged in. Now, once you're logged in, there are actually two ways on locating your friend requests page. First things first is, as you notice, below your Threads name is gonna be the fields in which showing your current followers. So if you tap on that and go to pending, this is the first field or this is the first page in which you are able to see pending confirmations for you to accept friend requests. Now the other thing that you can do is locate the heart icon which is usually on the left portion of your profile. So if you tap on that, under activity, this is also gonna be the page in which you were able to confirm or accept friend requests on threads. So those are the two things in which you are able to accept and view pending friends request on threads.